its core, ELX is a three-stage process. The ELX website ensures that you progress through each stage in the correct order and that the process runs successfully through to completion. ELX has a comprehensive authorisation process to complete prior to completing stage 1, but you can get started on stage 1 while the authorisation is processed. We've taken pains to ensure that authorisation protects your data and gives retailers confidence that they're sending offers to a bona fide representative of the company or organisation seeking the deal. First, ELX needs the details of the sites you pay the electricity for. Each site has an ICP number, which stands for Installation Control Point, which uniquely identifies the site. Our market video and glossary at elx.co.nz describes the ICP in more detail. ELX also needs to know the retailer supplying each ICP, its physical address, and the company or organisation the ICP belongs to. If you have lots of ICPs, then you can enter them into a spreadsheet and upload in bulk. You have the option to enter one or two categories of your choice and then to assign ICPs one or both of these categories. For example, you might assign each ICP a region corresponding to regional offices. These can be used later on in the deal selector. For example, you might want to have no more than 2 retailers supplying the ICPs in each region. That's stage 1 complete. Your ICPs are sent to your current retailers to have them provide data about consumption patterns for each ICP they supply. This is important data. It's used by all the retailers who later on will give you pricing offers. Good data helps them price accurately and works to your advantage. Stage 2 is to create your approaches to market, which you can do once your ICP data comes back from retailers. Approaches to market can be a request for proposals, similar to a tender, and in the near future, with some more development, you will also be able to set up an auction. The RFP process follows the traditional model for approaching the electricity market, but auctions are a new concept, which will be added to ELX later this year. Send your RFP, or auctions, to the retailers you select. We advise sending to all participating retailers to maximise the competitive response, but it's your choice. ELX provides general terms and conditions for your RFPs, but you can add additional terms and conditions if you wish. We suggest you talk to us first if in any doubt about adding additional terms. Retailers then price your ICPs and respond with deals in the form of one or more pricing offers. After an RFP closes, you move on to ELX's Deal Selector, where you're presented with a pre-selected range of deals, starting with the deal with overall minimum cost. If none of these deals is for you, then you can start with one of them and massage to suit your needs. For example, the overall best price might be attained with 5 retailers across all of your ICPs, but constraining a deal to no more than 2 retailers could simplify your account management for only a slight increase in price. The Deal Selector makes it easy to see how this deal would look. The Deal Selector is powerful. It can even handle offers that are conditional on having all ICPs with one retailer. EnergyLink is always a phone call or email away if you need help, or to talk over the deals you've set up. When you have your preferred deal, simply have ELX notify the retailers that have won each ICP. ELX also provides you with comprehensive and detailed reports on the offers received and the deal selected, which is ideal to take to management or the board and to keep on file. You have a lot of money tied up in electricity, and you can be confident that ELX is independent, so retailers do not pay commissions on sales. Instead, you pay a modest fee to use ELX based on total energy consumption and the number of ICPs. ELX is developed and supported by EnergyLink, the leading name in electricity procurement and electricity risk management. At any time, you can email us or phone us on 0800 4ELX to get advice and support. It's included in the fee at no extra cost. course, if you still want to use a consultant, then we're happy to put your deal through ELX for you, or you can choose another consultant to do that for you.